The need for a road service call is very frustrating to a truck driver or any tire customer. A flat tire is costly, and those issues that are preventable, such as a faulty repair, are especially annoying. Repairing a nail hole in a truck tire is a relatively easy procedure and can be performed in any maintenance facility with the proper tools, materials, and training. In this instructional video, we would like to present information on the proper procedures to repair a nail hole injury in the crown area of a truck tire. In order to perform a nail hole repair properly, the correct tools and materials must be available. Tools needed are as follows: an awl, probe, and a marking crayon, a scraper, plug-pulling wires and pliers, a low-speed drill with a maximum speed of 1200 RPM along with carbide cutter and adapter, a low-speed buffer with a maximum speed of 5000 RPM with rasp and brush, a cutting knife or clippers, a stitcher, a shop vacuum. This is important for removing the buffing dust and debris from the interior of the tire, safety goggles or glasses, and a mask and gloves. It is important that the repair materials all be from the same manufacturer. Mixing of materials may result in a failed repair. The nail hole repair materials that will be required are as follows: nail hole plug stems. These can be either 1/4 inch or 3/8 inches, depending upon the size of the injury and carbide cutter. Self-vulcanizing fast-dry cement. Rubber cleaner fluid. Nail hole repair patches. Repair patch sealer. A wall chart showing limitations and procedures should be available adjacent to the repair area. A nail hole repair can be performed in the tread of a tire to within 1 1/2 inches of the shoulder, and a repair stand with adequate lighting close to an electrical outlet and air supply. The procedure to repair a nail hole injury with a 2-piece patch and plug system is as follows. Inspect the tire, both inside and out, to determine whether any additional damage has occurred. Pay particular attention to the inner liner, looking for evidence of run-flat damage which could lead to a zipper rupture. If there is no additional damage, then mark the location of the damage on both the inside and the outside of the tire with a marking crayon. Remove the object from the tire. Probe the injury from the inside out to determine the direction and size of the penetration and to ensure there is no excessive oxidation or air infiltration present. If the injury is larger than 3/8 inches, then a section repair is necessary, and the tire must be sent to a full-service repair facility. If the injury is within the 3/8 inches limit, spray cleaner fluid on the inner liner around the penetration. While the area is still moist, scrape the inner liner to remove contaminants. Prepare the injury with the proper size carbide cutter on the low-speed drill, and drill out the penetration from the inside out, following the direction of the injury. Repeat this process 3 times. Go to the outside of the tire at the injury and drill to the inside 3 times to ensure that damaged rubber and steel are removed without enlarging the injury. Using the awl, cement the injury from the inside with chemical vulcanizing fluid. Turn the tool in a clockwise rotation both into and out of the injury. Repeat this 3 times. Leave the tool in the injury. Place the wire puller on the black exposed portion of the plug stem. Remove the protective poly from the stem and apply a coat of chemical vulcanization fluid on the plug and wire puller where it contacts the stem. Remove the awl from the injury and feed the small end of the wire puller through the injury from the inside of the tire. Grasp the wire puller from the outside and pull the plug through, leaving about a 1/2 inch exposed gray cushion rubber above the tread. If the wire puller comes off, use a set of pliers to pull the plug through, again leaving a 1/2 inch exposed rubber. On the inside of the tire, use the patch itself or a repair template to outline the size and location of the repair patch. Be sure to align the repair properly in relationship to the beads. Draw your perimeter about a ½ inch larger than the size of the patch. Cut the plug stem off about 1/8 inch above the inner liner of the tire. With a texturizing wheel and a low-speed 5,000 RPM max buffer, texture the inner liner to an RMA1 or RMA2 finish. Buff the plug stem flush to the inner liner. With a soft wire brush, clean all debris from the buffed area. Use a vacuum to remove all debris. Do not use compressed air to blow away the debris. Do not touch or contaminate the buffed area. Using chemical vulcanizing fluid, brush a thin, even coat onto the textured area. Allow 3 to 5 minutes to dry. The fluid should be tacky. Areas with high humidity may require longer drying time. Roll the protective poly back to the outer edges of the repair unit. This enables you to handle the repair unit without contaminating the bonding gum layer. With the tire beads in a relaxed position, center the repair patch over the injury and press down. Make sure the directional bead arrows are aligned with the beads of the tire. Remove the rest of the poly backing from the repair unit, then stitch the repair unit down, starting from the center of the patch to the outside. This will eliminate any trapped air under the repair unit. After ensuring that the patch edges are stitched down, remove the protective poly from the back of the patch. Apply security sealer to the edge of the patch and in all over-buffed areas. Cut off the stem on the outside of the tire to 1/8 inch above the tread. The tire is now ready to go back into service. When remounting any tire, especially one that has been repaired, be sure to use a safety cage and follow OSHA inflation procedures. These procedures are the same when repairing a new generation wide-base single tire. The plug prevents moisture from reaching the steel belts. The patch prevents air from escaping through the inner liner. A one-piece repair uses the same procedures. However, the penetrating hole cannot have an entry angle greater than 25 degrees to use the one-piece system. String repairs are never allowed on truck tires. They can lead to air migration and moisture wicking up through the string, possibly resulting in a run flat and possible zipper rupture or deterioration of steel cables resulting in separation. String repairs are performed without dismounting the tire from the wheel. This does not allow for inspection of the inside of the tire for other damages. For further information, refer to Michelin Truck Tire Nail Hole Procedures Instruction Sheet, or MWT 40163, or contact your Michelin representative.
Hi, I'm Doug Jones with Michelin North America. Thank you for watching this instructional video. We at Michelin North America designed this training video to help you institute the very best practices available for the care and maintenance of your truck tires. This video is one of several instructional videos we have developed for tire maintenance and safety. For a complete listing of all of our instructional videos, please visit our website at MichelinTruck.com or call our Consumer Care Department at 1-800-847-3435. Thanks again for watching.
Michelin, a better way forward.